Hey everyone, just wanted to give you a quick look at what I was working on today. This is the Mitsubishi Minicab dump truck that I use around the property and to like go to the dump and stuff with. But unfortunately we had the windshield wiper linkage. The windshield wiper is snagged on a branch. And you can see the wiper motor is in here and the linkage is buried back there. So you have to take the entire dash off to just clip this back in. The other thing that's going on with this one today is the speedometer cable needs to be replaced. And if you're doing this yourself, if you have to do a speedometer cable on your Mitsubishi, you cannot just pull this out. You have to reach up behind the dash and unclip the speedometer cable, but also underneath the footwell, on the underneath of the truck, there's going to be a clamp around the cable to give it some slack. Otherwise, the rest of this, removing this, is it a pain? Yes, but it's literally a couple bolts in these little pockets, and the rest are all Phillips. Make sure you get the 3 Phillips on top of the gauge, the 2 on the bottom, the gauge cluster, the same for the radio surround and the glove box. It's literally all Phillips screws, except for these little 12 mils that are everywhere else. But other than that, you know, it's easy to take out. It's just tedious and time consuming. I'm starting to wonder if we should start our other projects while I'm in there, but we'll see. I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of what I was working on this morning. I will get the Papio video out today as well. Probably later tonight, I'll give you the 100-mile impression, my first 100 miles with that. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, checking out what I'm up to. And I'll give you some more details on this as we dive into it. But this is kind of more of a maintenance thing. I didn't really think anybody would really care about what we're doing with it. But yeah, so there it is. Mitsubishi Minicab doing the wiper linkage and Speedo cable this morning. Hope everyone's having a great start to your weekend, and I will see you guys on the next one.